Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel Rythme Français. Today in this video we are going to learn about the numbers starting from 21 till 100. But before that, if you haven't watched our video for 1 to 20, you can go and watch that video and learn counting in a very simple and easy way. So I have attached the link in the description box below. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's start. Moving on. C'est parti. So, today we are going to start numbers from 21. We already know that 20 in French is vingt, which is V-I-N-G-T, vingt. And 1 in French is un, U-N, un. So, 21 becomes vingt-et-un, vingt-et-un, where et is and in French. So it becomes 20 and 1. This is only for 21 because when we come to 22, we will say vingt-deux. Simple. 20 and 2. We'll combine 20 and 2 together. So it will become vingt-deux. For 23, it will become vingt-trois. Again, we'll combine 20 and 3 together. 24 will become vingt-quatre. Vingt-quatre. 25 will become vingt-cinq. Vingt-cinq. 26 will become vingt-six. Vingt-six. 27 will become vingt-sept. Vingt-sept. 28 will become vingt-huit. Vingt-huit. 29 will become vingt-neuf, that is 20 and 9. And 30 is trente in French. Trente in French. So wow, what you have to do is, it is a very simple trick. You take the whole 20 and you put counting from 1 to 9 together. That is it, and that is all you have to do. So it becomes 21 to 29. So it is very simple, and the same rule will be further followed in all the countings. So let's see. Now we know that 30 in French is trente. So let's assume. So now just guess, take 2 minutes and guess what will be 31. It will be similar to that of 21. We'll put 30 and 1 together and it will become 30 and 1. That means trente-et-un. Trente-et-un. 32 will become trente-deux because we take the 30 and we take the 2 and mix them together, which becomes trente-deux. Similarly, trente-trois. 34 will become trente-quatre. 35 will become trente-cinq. 36 will become trente-six. 37 will become trente-seven. That means 30 and 7 together. Trente-seven. Trente-sept. 38 will become trente-huit. And 39 will become trente-neuf. 40 in French is quarante. Quarante. Now, guys, remember, if you want to learn counting in French, then the most important part of the counting is 1 to 20. If you know the counting from 1 to 20 very well, then you can easily learn and go along with counting. If not, then it will be difficult for you. So guys, it is a humble request from my side as a teacher that please do learn 1 to 20 counting in French, and then the other countings, the rest of the counting will be very easy for you because we just take the 30 part or the 20 line and add the counting from 1 to 9. That is, in most of the cases, we do this only. So you will see again. So we did that. 40 in French is quarante. Quarante. So it's 41 will be similar to 21 and 31, which will be 40 and 1. That is quarante-et-un. Quarante-et-un. That is 41. 42 will be again. We'll put 40 and 2 together. Quarante-deux. Quarante-deux. 43 will be quarante-trois. Quarante-trois. 44 will be quarante-quatre. quarante-quatre. 45 will be quarante-cinq. 40 and 5 together, quarante-cinq. 46 will be quarante-six. 47 will be quarante-sept. 48 will be quarante-huit. 49 will be quarante-neuf. That means 40 and 9 together. So guys, you can see that it is very simple. You just learn the main part and then you add the countings. 1 to 9. That is it. So what I mean to say is that you must learn counting from 1 to 20. You will see why I am saying 1 to 20 and not 1 to 10. Okay. 50 in French is cinquante. Cinquante. Don't say it cinquante because often the beginners they make a mistake of pronunciation and they often pronounce 50 as cinquante. So it's not cinquante, it's cinquante. Cinquante. Now, again, now we know what do we call 50 in French. So 51 will be very easy for us, of course. So 51 is 50 and 1, that is cinquante et un. 52 is cinquante-deux. 53 is cinquante-trois. 54 is cinquante-quatre. 55 is cinquante-cinq. 56 is cinquante-six. That means 50 and 6 together. 57 will be cinquante-sept. 58 will be cinquante-huit. 59 will be cinquante-neuf. That means 50 and 9 together. Cinquante-neuf. And 60 in French is soixante. 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 Now, I hope guys it was easy for you. So you don't have to do anything. You have to add the initial, that is 50 or 40 or 30 or 20. And in the end, you have to just take the counting of 1 to 9 and add it over there. As simple as that. Now 60, as we decided, is soixante. So what will be 61? You already know. 61 is 60 and 1. Soixante-un. 62 will be soixante-deux. 63 will be soixante-trois. 60 and 3 together. Soixante-quatre. That is 64. 65 will be soixante-cinq. 66 will be soixante-six. 67 will be soixante-sept. 68 will be soixante-huit. 69 will be soixante-neuf. And 70 is soixante-dix. Soixante-dix. So guys, can you imagine why 70 is soixante-dix? I will tell you. So soixante is 60 and dix is 10. So 60 and 10 becomes 70. 60, 10, that is 70. Soixante-dix. Okay, now you will understand why I was saying that you should learn counting from 1 to 20. Why not only I was saying till 10, you have to learn till 20. Let's see why. Because the counting after 70 becomes little tricky. That is, instead of adding 1, 2, 3, we add 11, 12, 13. Let's look. 71 in French become soixante-onze. It becomes soixante-onze. Soixante is 60. Onze is for 11. So it becomes 60 and 11, which becomes 71. Soixante-onze. 60 and 11, 71. Similarly, 72 becomes 60 and 12. Soixante-douze. Soixante-douze. 73 becomes 60 and 13, which is soixante-treize. 74 becomes 60 and 14, which is soixante-quatorze. Soixante-quatorze. 75 becomes 60 and 15, which is soixante-quinze. 76 becomes 70 and 16, which is soixante-seize. 77 is soixante-dix-sept. 78 becomes soixante-dix-huit, that means 60 and 18. Don't think that the number will become too large to say or it is not correct. No, guys, it is correct. This is how it is in French, so you cannot help it. 78 is soixante-dix-huit, that is 60 plus 18, which becomes 78. Then then 79 is soixante-dix-neuf. Soixante-dix-neuf, which is 60 and 19. When put together, they will become 79. Soixante-dix-neuf. And finally, 80 is quatre-vingts. Quatre-vingts, which is 80. So why is it quatre-vingts? Any mathematician do we have over here? It's very simple, I'll tell you. We don't need a mathematician for this. It was just for fun. Quatre-vingts. Quatre is 4. Vingt is 20. So 4 into 20 becomes just the simple maths. If you don't know, then you can use the calculator. 4 into 20 is 80. So here it is why we say 80 as quatre-vingts. Quatre-vingts, 80. That is 4 into 20. Quatre-vingts. Now, the next set of line is very easy, not that difficult because we already know what 80 is. Then 81 will be quatre-vingt-un. 82 will be quatre-vingt-deux. 83 will be quatre-vingt-trois. 84 will be quatre-vingt-quatre. 85 will be quatre-vingt-cinq. 86 will be quatre-vingt-six. 87 will be quatre-vingt-sept. 88 will be quatre-vingt-huit. 89 will be quatre-vingt-neuf. 80 and 9, quatre-vingt-neuf. And 90 will be, it's very simple, quatre-vingt-dix. That means 80 and 10 when put together, quatre-vingt-dix. Again, now if 90 is 80 plus 10, so if we follow the pattern, then 91 will be, voila, 80 plus 11, that is quatre-vingt-onze. So again, we'll start with the 11 line because if we consider it, if you learn it according to maths, it will be 80 plus 11, that is quatre-vingt-onze. 92 will be quatre-vingt-douze. 93 will be quatre-vingt-treize. 94 will be quatre-vingt-quatorze, that is 80 plus 14, you will get 94. So considering that logic, 94 is quatre-vingt-quatorze. 95 is quatre-vingt-quinze. 95. 96 is quatre-vingt-seize. Considering the same logic, 80 plus 16. So that is why quatre-vingt-seize. 97 is quatre-vingt-dix-sept. So I'm again telling you guys, if you get confused that is it right to say quatre-vingt-dix-sept, then yes, I'm telling you it is right. In the beginning, you often get confused that how can a number be so long? Why do we speak this? So if you have any questions, guys, please don't hesitate to ask us or clarify your doubts in the comment section below or on our Gmail ID, which is rythmefrancais@gmail.com. Yep. And 98 is quatre-vingt-dix-huit. Quatre-vingt-dix-huit. 99 is quatre-vingt-dix-neuf. Quatre-vingt-dix-neuf. 80 and 19, quatre-vingt-dix-neuf. And 100 will be so. So, it comes from the word century. Century, the beginning so, you can say, or you can also consider that percent, percentage. So percent is also always of 100. So we can pick that so from there as well. So 100 in French is cent. Thank you guys for your attention and for watching our video till the end. I hope you haven't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day. And also, because it's COVID, stay home, stay safe.